What do you want to do today? I don't know. What do you want to do today? I don't know. What do you want to do today? I don't know. What do you want to do today? I don't know. What do you want to do today? Huh? What's that? It looks like a package. Shall we open it? Sure, why not? I can't open it! I can't open it neither!
Here, let me help you. There you go.
Thanks, Mennonite. Now let's see who's in this package. Oh my god! I've seen this guy as an assist trophy! It's Shovel Knight!
Yes, 'tis I, Shovel Knight. And who you two might be?
Greetings, Shovel Knight. My name is Diskun, the mascot of the Famicom Disk System. Hi! I'm Kirby!
Well, Shovel Knight, we meet again. Hey there, Meteorite. It's been a while.
Wait, you know this guy, Mennonite?
Yeah, we know each other in 1 minute melee.
Wow, I better get my friends. Okay, everyone, I want you to meet a new member of our group, and his name is Shovel Knight.
Hi, Shovel Knight. It's very nice to meet you. My name is Knight.
It's very nice to meet you too.
Hello, I'm Toad.
And I'm Toadette.
Ah, you two look cute.
Aw, thanks.
Hey there, my name is Blackun. I'm the rival of Diskun, but also a friend.
Huh? You're like a nicer rival than Black Knight.
Hey, it's me, Marx, and I heard you're not playable in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Marx!
It's fine, at least I'm represented in Ultimate in any form.
Hey there. I'm England, but everyone calls me Woomy.
Huh, nice.
Hi, I'm Daisy.
Okay.
Hi, Shovel Knight. Want to hear my song?
Sure.
Oh no.
Huh? Why does everyone keep falling asleep during my song?
Boy, what a good nap.
Shovel Knight?
Yes?
Look,
What happened to my helmet?
Jigglypuff did it.
So what? You fell asleep during my song. What? Mad at me?
No, I'm not mad at you, but please don't do it again.
Are you Shovel Knight?
You got it.
Oh my god! I can't believe it! It is you! Be right back! Look what I have, Shovel Knight.
Cool, it's my amiibo.
Yeah, I had it since 2016. Wow, I've never seen an indie character in real life before. Me neither. Say, can I have your helmet?
No.
Oh, come on! Please! Boo, he's not going to give you his own helmet. Fine, then I'll just take it!
Well then, I'm out of here.
Hey, get back here! I just want your helmet!
No! Get away from me, you creep!
Not until I get your helmet!
I'll hit you with my shovel!
Can I have your shovel?
Yeah!
Ow! It's not fair! Why can't I have his helmet? Ow, my head hurts! Is he going to be okay?
Yeah, it'll be fine.
That ghost can be crazy sometimes, right, Kirby?
Yeah, Knight, he can. Welcome to the group, Shovel Knight.
Thanks, Diskun. I'll make sure I'll keep you some company.
You're welcome. We will be friends forever.
For Shovelry!
Hey guys, this is the Classic Dreamer here, and thank you so much for watching this video. Sorry that I haven't been making any new videos in a while, it's just I've been busy with other stuff. And sadly, this Shovel Knight plush didn't come with his shovel. And the funny thing is that I had the Shovel Knight amiibo since 2016, and now I own the Shovel Knight plush. And the thing is, I've never actually played the Shovel Knight game itself. I'm sure a lot of people will be saying, oh, the classic dreamer, you should definitely play this game, it's super amazing. And I've been watching a lot of gameplay from it, and it looks great. Maybe I'll get my chance to buy it on the Nintendo Switch someday. Anyways, thanks for watching. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you guys later. Bye.